Hello everyone, I'm Radha and today we are diving into an exciting and important topic, how to try jobs in the UK on a post-study work visa after completing your MSc. Whether you are just about to finish your degree or already exploring opportunities, this video will guide you step by step. Let's get started. The post-study work visa is an excellent opportunity for international students to stay in the UK and work after completing their studies. But the big question is, how do you make the most of it? The first step is to identify the industry or field you are passionate about. Let me walk through some key industries and the top companies you can target for jobs. Suppose if you take IT and technology, companies like Google, Amazon, Microsoft, IBM, Capgemini, Accenture, these companies frequently look for fresh talent in roles like data analysts, software developers, and cloud engineers. If you take finance and banking sector, companies like Barclays, HSBC, Lloyds Bank, Deloitte, PwC, EY. Ideal roles here include financial analysts, accountants, and investment advisors. If you take healthcare sectors, companies like NHS, Bupa, Medtronic, GSK, Pfizer, if your MSc is in healthcare management or life sciences, these organizations are great places to start. And coming to engineering companies, Rolls-Royce, BAE Systems, Arup, Atkins, Siemens, mechanical, civil, and electrical engineers, graduates can explore roles in these leading firms. And coming to education and research, companies like universities, British Council, and Pearson and research institutes. These institutes offer n number of job opportunities. Teaching and research positions are abundant in the UK's vibrant academic sector. And if you take retail and marketing, companies like Unilever, Procter, Gamble, Tesco, ASOS, Marks and Spencer. In this, the roles like in marketing, supply chain, or e-commerce, these companies offer exciting opportunities. Now, let's talk about where to upload your CV. Here are top job portals you should use. LinkedIn, a must for networking and finding job opportunities. Indeed UK, one of the most comprehensive job search platforms. Read.co.uk, great for graduate jobs and internships. Total Jobs covers a variety of sectors and roles. Glassdoor for applying and reading company reviews. CV Library, a popular choice for uploading resumes and receiving job alerts. JobSite specifically focuses on UK jobs. Make sure your CV is tailored for the role you are applying for and highlights your MSc qualifications. To maximize your chances, start applying 3 to 4 months before completing your course. Network actively. Connect with alumni, professors, and industry professionals. Consider internships or temporary roles as a stepping stone. Remember, perseverance is a key. Don't get discouraged if you don't hear back right away. I hope this video helps you kickstart your job hunt in the UK. For more personalized guidance, feel free to reach out to us. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on studying and working abroad. Thank you for watching and all the best in your career journey.